In this video, I'll show you how to buy stocks on Webull during after-hours trading step by step. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. To buy stocks on Webull after hours, first open the app and go to the Markets tab, usually located at the bottom left corner of the screen. At the top right, tap the magnifying glass to search for the stock you want to buy. For example, type in the ticker symbol and select the stock from the results at the top of the screen. Once you're on the stock page, tap the Trade button located at the bottom left corner. You'll now see the stock price, which shows the current after-hours price if you're trading after the market has closed. Tap on the price if you want to adjust your limit order, which sets the exact price you're willing to pay for the stock. Then, select the quantity of shares you want to buy, using the plus and minus buttons located near the bottom, or type in the number directly. Next, set the time in force option by tapping the drop-down menu and selecting GTC, which stands for Good Till Cancelled. This keeps your order active until it's fulfilled, or you cancel it. Enable extended hours by tapping Yes, allowing your order to execute during aftermarket trading. After confirming your price, quantity, time in force, and extended hours, tap the Buy button located at the bottom left corner. A review screen will appear showing all the details of your limit order. Tap Confirm to submit your order. Your order will stay active until it's filled or cancelled, and you can modify it at any time by going to Open Orders and adjusting the price or quantity if needed. Now these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. And also, if you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, click the video showing up on your screen to watch a detailed review.